In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a percentage dropdown in Google Docs. This feature can be incredibly useful for organizing and streamlining your document, especially if you're working with a team or need a quick way to select predefined options without manually typing them each time. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. Once you're in the document, you'll notice a menu bar at the top. Start by finding and clicking on the Insert option in that menu. This step is your gateway to a variety of elements you can add to your document, from images and tables to special characters and beyond. After clicking Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this list, look for and select Smart Chips. The term Smart Chips might sound a bit technical, but it's essentially Google Docs' way of offering dynamic options that can make your document more interactive and functional. By using Smart Chips, you ensure that your document isn't just static text, which is perfect for collaborative environments or when you need to present information in a more engaging manner. Once you're in the Smart Chips menu, your next step is to choose Dropdown. By clicking on this, you're delving into a feature that brings a list of selectable items right into your document. This is particularly helpful for situations where you might need consistent inputs from multiple users without deviating from pre-designed options. Think along the lines of surveys, form responses, or consensus building within a project team. Next, you'll see a selection of different drop-down menus that Google Docs provides by default or that you've previously set up. Locate the drop-down definition that's named Cadence. Now, although this one is primarily labeled Cadence, it's essentially a template that you can adapt to suit your unique needs, whether they be percentages, project stages, or priority levels for tasks. Click on this option to insert it directly into your document. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully inserted a percentage dropdown into your Google Docs file. This feature not only enhances the interactivity of your document, but also contributes to a more organized and efficient way of handling repetitive inputs. Keep in mind that you can always tailor these dropdowns to better fit whatever context or project you're working on. Using dropdowns in Google Docs can really be a game changer in how you manage information and collaborate with others. That's just one of the many tools Google Docs offers to streamline your workflow and make document management easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity with Google Docs.